This second-floor two-bedroom plus den new construction condominium features wood cabinetry, large built-in pantry, stainless steel appliances and granite surfaces in the kitchen. The split floor plan places the master suite away from the guest bedroom, den and laundry room complete with full-sized washer and dryer. The en-suite master bathroom has a tiled shower, granite-topped double sink vanity and walk-in closet. 18 euro ceramic tile is laid on the diagonal in common areas, carpet in the master and guest bedroom and wood flooring in the den. Enjoy the lush preserve view from the screened lanai. A detached single-car garage is steps away from the home's entrance. Enjoy maintenance-free living and resort-style amenities in a park-like setting with low HOA fees including water, sewer, basic cable, waste management and more. FHA and Fannie Mae approved. Amenities include clubhouse with catering-style kitchen, state-of-the-art fitness center, resort-style swimming pool, tennis court, box court, playground and community barbecue picnic areas. The gated community is set in the heart of Cape Coral, Florida, minutes from the